Hello everybody, this is Mrs. Simon, and I am going to share with you the short fairy tale called The Princess and the Pea. It's a very short story that's been told over and over in many different countries of the world. So I'm going to share this quick little version of it with you, and then you can read some of the stories from different parts of the world, and you can think about what was the same in the stories, what was different, and which story you liked best. Once upon a time, there was a prince who wanted to marry a princess. She had to be a real princess, though. The prince looked all over the world, but he couldn't find who he wanted. Many young women said they were princesses, but were they really? It was hard to know for sure. There was always something about them that did not seem quite right. So the prince came home again and was sad. He still wanted to find a real princess to marry. One evening there was a terrible storm with thunder and lightning. The rain came down hard as the wind howled. Suddenly someone knocked at the castle door. A young woman stood outside. She said she was a princess who had been caught in the storm. But what a sight the wind and rain had made her look! The water ran down from her hair and clothes. It ran into the toes of her shoes until they overflowed. Still, she said that she was a real princess. "We'll soon find out," thought the old queen. She went into the bedroom and stripped all the bedding off the bed. She took a pea and laid it on the bare bed frame. Then she took 20 mattresses and placed them on top of the pea. Finally, she put 20 blankets stuffed with goose feathers on top. On this bed the princess had to lie all night. In the morning the queen asked her how she had slept. "Oh, very badly. I barely closed my eyes all night," said the princess. "Goodness knows what it was, but I was lying on something hard," she added. "I am black and blue all over my body. It was horrible," she cried. Now they knew she was a real princess. She had felt the pea right through 20 mattresses and 20 goose feather blankets. Nobody but a real princess could be that sensitive. So the prince married her, for now he knew that she was a real princess. The pea was given to a museum. You can still see it there if you like. The end. So that is the original version of The Princess and the Pea. Please take some time to read the 3 stories that I've included for you here. And then if you feel like clicking on the Google form and answering some questions, that would be awesome. Have a wonderful day.